Okay, you guys, again, so welcome back to my channel. This is Shay. So today we're going to be discussing nursing as well as getting ready with me. Today is Saturday. I'm off. I'm about to enjoy my day. I'm about to talk about nursing with you guys. If you guys are new to my channel and want to be a part of my family and interested in what I got going on my channel, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. On my channel, we talk about beauty, fashion, nursing. It's just a cool little channel, and we have a variety of things on this channel. I hope you guys subscribe and really like what you see. So today I'm going to be using I'm going to be getting ready and using mostly like drugstore products. A lot of them are drugstore products that you can get from CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, but it's a couple of prestige items that I do use like on my eyebrows and whatnot. But today is mostly everything is affordable. And it's just going to be a natural bead. I do not bead and contour. I don't do any of that. I just cover up a couple of my dark spots. I've already done my facial routine. If you've seen my other video in regards to my facial routine, I've already done that and how I got rid of my acne. If you guys want to see that, just check out that video down below. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm going to get started. So today I'm not going to be doing any color correcting because the color corrector that I normally use is this right here by Urban Decay, the Naked and Deep Peach, but I'm out of it right now. So the only thing that I'm going to be doing is color correcting under my eyes, just trying to light up my eyes a little bit. And I've seen this on a couple of people Instagrams as well as they YouTube videos. So I was like, let me give it a try. This is hazelnut, so I'm going to give it a try. I wore it one other day, and then I'm using it today, so I'm going to put this under my eyes. Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to be talking about nursing, and do I regret not going to RN school? And just because a lot of people ask me, I get this, I really feel like I get this question damn near almost every day in the field and sometimes outside the field. People, I just got this question actually yesterday from a patient. They was like, what nurse are you? What type of nurse are you? Are you RN or LVN, or what are you? I was like, I'm LVN. The look on the person's face is like a LVN ain't shit. Really, we are. I'm sorry. LVNs are nurses too. Like, they be acting like LVNs is ain't shit. We are. We can do just as much as our RN. The only difference is a couple of little things. A couple of little things that separate our RN from an LVN. But we are nurses too. Okay? Please don't get that twisted. And it's just so irritating. I'm proud to be an LVN. I don't care. Like, I'm really proud to be an LVN. But when I was like, I'm an LVN, it was like, so do you plan on going back to school? Yeah, but damn, like, okay. Yeah, I plan on going back to school. Yes. I was like, yeah, I'm taking my last class and I apply for an RN program. Hopefully I get in next year. But I really want to say, like, what the hell? You trying to be funny? Like, don't try to put us down. Like, we all have our part. If a person, I feel like, don't put the next person or look at the next person's profession like it ain't shit. You know, you get what I'm saying? Like, if you want to be a CNA, a MA, LVN, RN, do that. That's what floats your boat. Some people don't want to become a RN or an LVN. They probably don't want that responsibility, so they probably just want to help patients and just do that because that makes them feel good. Don't knock the other person's career or their profession choice. I do not like that. But anyway, to answer that question, no, I do not regret becoming an LVN first. And I feel like, one second, I'm going to be using this, the Maybelline FItMe in the color 360. Honestly, I do not regret it at all. And I feel like if a person is pursuing nursing and they feel like they want to be a nurse, but they're kind of not quite sure, I feel like the LVN route is for them. Choosing LVN was the right choice because, for me, and I feel like it's the right choice for some people, And because it gives you a, a look into nursing. It lets you, and it's very, and it's not as expensive. It's not as much time spent on something that you're really not sure of. So I feel like it's good to do it that route because you're saving money and you get to see what nursing is about. And then not to mention that once you, if you feel like this is what you want to pursue, you can go into RN more aware and more having more knowledge in the nursing field. So it's I feel like it's a better, it's a cool route. If you want to go that route, it's cheaper. It gives you a full look into nursing firsthand. You get to see it, and you don't get to like just hear people saying what they think it is. No, you actually see what nursing is. I'm glad I picked this route and went the LVN route because it was the best choice for me and my family at the time. If I would have just went straight to RN, I would have been struggling. I'm not gonna even lie, because giving up a career and going into something else just out the blue, just to be using this is by benefit. I always use this for my brow. I see firsthand that this career is no joke. It's not all pretty like people make it seem. It is not just, it's not all pretty all the time, okay? People make it seem like it's just all pretty, fun and games. People helpful. People are not helpful like you think. I'm telling you, they're not. People are not helpful like that at all. And then I learned that firsthand. I remember, like, if you guys seen my other video that I made when I first got into the nursing game, people was not helpful. And it's still the same. And it's sad to say, but it is. It's sad to say, but that's the way people are, you know. But that's okay. You got to do it because you love doing it, you know. It's just, and what's so crazy, I don't know if I said this in another video, but I want you guys to go back and see my first video about when I first became a LVN, how this one nurse treated me. She used to try to bully me, right? What's so crazy is that when I got hired at this good hospital, I got hired full-time at this hospital. She was working there, but she was only per diem, right? And what's so crazy is that she tried to talk to me and tried to be nice to me. And I wanted to be like, do you remember the way that you like really treated me? And look at you, you only per diem. You not even fully in a hospital, you're working per diem and you have to help me. You get what I'm saying? Like, so that's funny. It's just funny the way things work, you know? That's why I always try to treat everybody with respect, kindness. Like, man. And I just want to let you guys know, too, that the doctors, too, ain't no joke. Some of these doctors are something else, too. Like, nursing is not pretty all the time. I'm telling you, it's not. People make it seem like it's just pretty. Like, it's not pretty all the time. But LVNs make a cool amount of money. I feel like you get to make a good living off of being an LVN. And then if you, say, for instance, you work overtime or do jobs on the side, you know, say home health aid, too, that's still good as well. So it's like, I'm happy that I did this route. It gave me and my son a better life, a more stable life. So when if I get into the RN program, I pray to God that I get in there. If I get into the RN program, I'm going to be going into the program more stable, you know, more stable. And I still have a job that I can work maybe nighttime and go to school in the day, or work in the day and go to school at night. Like, I'm going to be more stable. So you guys to know that in nursing, please don't think that everything is going to be beautiful all the time. You are going to, it's going to be times when you're going to ask people for help, other nurses, and they're not going to want to help you. It's a good thing that the department that I'm in now, everybody from the MAs to the LVNs, we basically help each other. So that's a good thing. But certain departments that you go in, please don't go to the department thinking that everybody is going to be welcome you with open arms or be helpful, because it's not the case. I want to just let you guys know the good and the bad. It's going to be some people, certain nurses are going to be so helpful, so nice, and want good for you and want you to succeed. But then it's going to be some nurses that's not, you know. But you can't, don't let that discourage you. Please do not let that discourage you. Just keep on being a good nurse like you are, and just keep on doing good. Please do not let other people and their bad attitudes discourage you from being an amazing nurse. Please do not follow bad habits of other nurses. Do not do that. Be the nurse that you was meant to be. Just care about your patients. Do not follow other people. Do not let other people get you down. If you guys have any positive words to tell me to help me get through like nursing sometimes that helped you guys, please let me know, because sometimes we all have to come and just help each other and give each other words of encouragement. Like, drop some comments down below. Tell me, like, if you guys have ever experienced anything on your job that just made you feel like you did not want to do this anymore. Because like, and what's crazy is that I love nursing. Like, I absolutely love nursing. Nursing like makes me feel so good, but I feel like I'm doing okay now, but I feel like sometimes people kill your vibe, and because I only work on positive energy all the time. And I feel like some people are just so negative, you know? They're just negative, and I can't let that discourage me at all. This is MAC. This is some highlighter from MAC. I love the way this glows. The glow is just, it's me life. I wish I can contour and stuff and just really knew how to do all of that. I feel like when I was younger, I feel like I knew how to do that. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I forgot along the way or something. But I really feel like I knew how to do it at one point. I don't know what happened. I don't know. I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair too, but I have to curl my hair in a different room because right here is kind of hot, and I need to go somewhere where the fan is like blowing on me when I go to curl my hair. So once I curl my hair, you guys are going to see a different background because I got to go in my room and put the fan on full blast. This is just a Wet n Wild. This is probably like an eyebrow pencil. I use brown on I don't care what color I use on my lips. I use brown because I need to be able to separate my lips from my face. So that's just something that I do. And I'm going to be using this by TwoFaced. It's called Suck It. Suck It. It's the Melted Matte. I really like this color. It looks weird until it dries. Once it dries, it's cute. Today I'm going to be going to my sister's house. I'm excited because she stays in a different city. And sometimes you just need to get away. Like, I'm just so happy to get away from this week. And I'm just going to make sure that next week I'm just going to have like an amazing week. I'm going to try to stay focused. I'm just going to try to get back to what I really loved about nursing and not let anybody kill my vibe, because I work on all good energy. Like I was saying before, I work on good energy. Like, I'm usually that person that people like to come to for positive energy, like positive affirmations, or, you know, throughout the day. But it was just like this past week, that I needed to go to other people for that because I was feeling drained. It was just like one thing after another, and it's like, damn, when you feel like you're doing a good job, the patients are happy, you're being polite to the doctor, all that, and then somebody's just because that person is having a bad day, they feel like they need to reflect their bad energy on you. It just made me feel, oh my God, I cannot even explain. Like, if you really knew the way I am in my heart, you would be like, Sheree, I get it, but don't let that person mess up your day. Because it was like people was coming up to me like, Sheree, you ain't smiling, or Sheree, it's because I shouldn't even allow another person to make me feel that way. You get what I'm saying? Like, I can control the energy that I take in and the negativity that I take in and put in my spirit. So I shouldn't even allow a person to even make me feel that way. That was my bad, but that's okay. It won't happen again. I learned from that. Next week is gonna be an amazing week. I'm gonna rejuvenate and like have a revamp everything this weekend, and go back to work and with a clearer head, a clear mind, not let nobody get to me, and just focus on being the person that I know that I am, and not let anybody kill my vibe or my good energy. Okay, so you guys, I'm about to start curling this mess. Okay. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel, for watching my get ready with me video from start to finish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me show you guys my foot outfit. This is my foot outfit that I'm going to be wearing today. Just cool and trendy. I'm not about to I have on these shoes. These are some Pumas that came out a while ago. And these little jeans from Fashion Nova, and this shirt from Fashion Nova. It's a little sweater. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be wearing today. So I do want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel. If you guys have any comments, please leave them down below. Peace out.